Today, we'll create a clean and reusable share bottom sheet in Jetpack Compose. Open Canva. Create a share illustration. Create design 120 x 120 px. Search 3D smartphone in Elements. Add 3D circle. Place the share icon. Insert a link icon. Add mail icon. Add message icon. Align, layer, and color all elements properly. Open Android Studio. Create the share bottom sheet. Create show share sheet state. Open sheet on share button click. Use ModalBottomSheet with rounded design. Add illustration, title, and description. Add, share, copy link, email options. Create reusable share option composable. Add Share Now CTA button. Final output. Logical tips. And that's it. Our reusable share bottom sheet is ready.